Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a savings account in Halifax Bank. So let's get started. So to do that, you have to follow the easy steps. So first of all, open your browser and search for the Halifax. Just go and open their bank section. So from here, you have to click on sign in. So when you just click on sign in, it will ask you for sign up. Okay. Or you can just go to here back, and then you can from here you can just apply from your savings account, and your account will be acceptable if you follow this all instruction. So this is how to create an savings account in Halifax Bank, and if you have any questions related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.